Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to unbox the Zhiyun Smooth Q2 gimbal. So here, this is the package that it comes in. So I got this from Amazon, and this is the package here that comes in here, wrapped in this bubble package. Now it also comes with these two extra, not from the box, but possibly from the supply that I've got. So it's got a mini tripod here as well that comes with it. So that's really great, that's a bonus. So this is the Smooth Q2 right there. That's the packaging on the side, in the back. So let's open it up and take a look on the inside. So I'm just going to remove the grab right here. Then we're going to see what's inside this box. What does it come with? So here we've got an opening, so I'm just going to hold onto this and drag it out. So that's just the cover. And then inside this box, so let's see. So it's got stickers right here that you can break and open. So I'm just going to break and open here on the top, and at the bottom there's another one right there. And that's it. So that will allow me to open up the box like so. So that tab right there just basically helps you to hold it, and that is inside the box right there. There's box with instruction guide. So this is the instruction guide. So it's got a service card over here, and this is easy quick start guide for the Smooth Q2. Okay, so you got this silica gel, so that's to help keep the moisture out. And then here is the gimbal itself inside the box. So there it is. So on the side here it's got USB-C port for charging. Then you got the control here. So you got the control right there. You can press on it, you can move it around, you can rotate it around, and you got this button, and then you got the power button here, and this is at the top. So I will have to give it a try and play around with this and see how we can operate it. So that's what's inside the box. So what else is in here? Okay, let's have a look. So look like there's something else in here as well. I'm just gonna take it out. So this is a clip that you can clip on. But there, it's metal. You can hear it's made out of metal. It is strong and sturdy. Even this one here is quite heavy. It's quite sturdy and strong. And then there's another box in here. So I'm just going to try to get it out. Probably the USB cables in here. It is the USB cables, and you have the rope to tie it to this gimbal. So I think you can just tie it down here to the gimbal, so you don't easily drop it. Right there, and there it is. So this is the USB cables. So you got the USB Type-C cables for this one, and that's it. So that is everything inside the box. That's the gimbal itself. You got the USB, and you got this band here that you can hook onto your gimbal, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.